TheCarTruthh viewers. Here's a vision that was once introduced as the supercar of the future, the BMW i8. When it hit the roads in 2014, it looked like it came straight from outer space. What's the true legacy of this icon, which merged hybrid technology with sportiness? Today, we're discussing the engineering truths behind the i8's design and its standing in the used car market. The i8's biggest truth is its design. Its doors open upwards, the body is made of carbon fiber, and that famous streamflow design hasn't aged a day. But this design comes at a cost. The truth is, carbon fiber body repair is extremely expensive. Even a minor collision can instantly plummet the car's value. Just like its looks, its repairs are in the super sports car category. Under the hood, there's a dual personality situation. At the rear, a mere 1.5-liter, 3-cylinder engine combined with an electric motor. Total power is 374 horsepower. Let's be honest, this won't give you a Ferrari roar. But its performance is built on agility, not raw speed. The electric range is short, typically around 30 to 40 kilometers. The i8 was one of the first sports cars to use hybrid technology not for efficiency, but as a boost for speed and agility. Inside, the technology, though dating back to 2014, is driver-focused. But here's another truth. The carbon fiber tunnel and cramped cabin make getting in and out of the car quite a show. In daily use, these low doors and narrow entry points can be challenging. The i8 is less a daily driver and more a work of art offering weekend thrills. So, what happened to the i8's true value after production ceased? When it first came out, it cost a fortune. Today, prices in the used car market seem quite attractive. But there are hidden costs to buying a used i8. The potential replacement cost of the high-voltage battery, the need for specialized servicing, and expensive carbon fiber parts. The i8 is more than an affordable sports car perception. It's a long-term investment and a risk. Do you think the i8 was a legend or an expensive hybrid mistake? Let's discuss in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.